Imagine walking through a forest and realizing the trees around you might actually be whispering to each other. Not in words like we speak, but in a hidden language beneath our feet. Sounds like a fantasy movie, right? Well, science says otherwise. For centuries, people thought trees were just silent giants, standing still for hundreds of years. But new discoveries reveal that forests are buzzing with communication, networks, warnings, and even acts of kindness. Yes, kindness, between trees. So, let's dive into the mystery of whether you can really talk to trees, and what science has uncovered about their secret conversations. Number 10. The hidden internet of trees. Deep underground, trees are connected by vast fungal networks. Scientists call the wood wide web. These fungal threads link roots of different trees together, forming a communication superhighway. Through this network, trees can send nutrients, chemical signals, and even distress alerts. Some scientists say it's as complex as a human brain's synapses. Imagine forests as massive neural networks, alive and chatting silently. Number 9. Warning signals of danger. When a tree is attacked by insects, it can release chemical signals through the air to warn its neighbors. Those neighbors then boost their own defenses, producing bitter chemicals that make their leaves harder to eat. It's like one tree screaming, "Watch out, danger's coming," and the whole forest gearing up for battle. Number 8. Trees that share food. Incredibly, stronger trees often send extra sugars and nutrients through the fungal web to weaker, younger trees. Some researchers call them mother trees because they nurture saplings that would otherwise die. In experiments, trees cut off from this network struggled to survive, while connected ones thrived. It's the forest's version of social welfare. Number 7. Do trees have memory? Here's a wild thought. Some studies show that trees can remember seasonal changes. For example, they can track the length of daylight and adjust their growth patterns accordingly. Certain experiments even suggest they can adapt future responses based on past experiences, almost like learning. Number 6. Chemical conversations in the air. It's not just underground. Some trees communicate through scents. Acacia trees in Africa, for instance, release ethylene gas when grazed by animals. Neighboring acacias smell this gas and start producing toxins in their leaves to deter the animals. Essentially, they talk through perfume warfare. Number 5. The loneliness of isolated trees. Trees growing alone, away from a forest, often live shorter lives. Why? They lack the connections of the underground network. Without friends to share signals and nutrients, they are more vulnerable. It's as if isolation weakens not just humans, but trees too. Number 4. The role of ancient trees. Elder trees in a forest act as hubs, passing resources and information to younger ones. When these giants are cut down, the entire communication web collapses. Some scientists believe preserving the oldest trees is as important as saving an entire ecosystem. Number 3. Do trees recognize family? Shockingly, some research suggests trees can tell which saplings are their own offspring. When sending nutrients, they often give more to their family roots than to strangers. It's nature's version of favoritism. Number 2. Can humans talk to trees? Here's where it gets interesting. While we can't literally have conversations, scientists are experimenting with attaching sensors to trees that pick up their electrical signals. In one experiment, researchers detected changes in a tree's bioelectric field when it was under stress. Imagine a future where your phone buzzes with a text from a nearby oak saying, "I'm thirsty, please water me." Number 1. Do trees have feelings? This is still debated, but experiments show trees respond to stress, injury, and even music. Some studies recorded electrical changes when leaves were touched or cut. While it's not feelings, as humans know them, it suggests plants may have a form of awareness. The big question remains. If they sense the world, should we rethink how we treat them? Forests aren't silent. They're alive with constant chatter, sharing, and survival strategies. The next time you walk under the shade of trees, remember, they might be talking about you. So, what do you think? Can trees really talk, or are we just beginning to decode their language? Which fact surprised you the most? If you found this mind-blowing, don't just walk away like a quiet tree. Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves nature. And stick around, because our next video dives into another strange question. Do plants dream at night?